captain of Borok people, Tripura people. The clothes which we present is called Risha, the cultural dress, a token of love on behalf of Tripura people from. So this is the time for our respected Sir Venkatarama, General Secretary of Tamil Nadu. So it's your time, sir. Take your valuable speech time.
But for sake of communication, I speak in English. That's all. I will not cheat you as Modi, saying some few words in Gurkharak language and deceiving you. Brothers and sisters, my dear small children, I convey my heartfelt greetings to this important rally and meeting, and all the organizers of the meeting of TPF on behalf of Tamil nation, particularly on behalf of my movement, Tamil National Movement.
Joto taku bokuk rokno ane khane hamjakma yafaro oro jetini bhai manjak phainai ane Tamil National Party nungi bang narokno jabani chibai te hambai yafaro.
After long 70 years of struggle, what your fathers and mothers didn't recognize, you young people have recognized. You have recognized a correct organization, you have identified a correct ideology, you have identified a correct leader.
70 বছরনি পরে নরক সাবক পিতক খাইজাকমানি ইয়াগুলো নরক তাবুক 600 লিটার মানখা ও লিটার নরক তা ইয়াকাদি বি লগি লগি নরক তংদি
History of Tripura after 1947 is victims' history, victims of the conspiracy of Union of India, the victims' history.
Sorry, sir.
Right from 1947, that is accession treaty done by our Maharani with the government of India, up till now, the government of India is again and again implementing its conspiracy. The conspiracy. Again and again, you are getting betrayed. Rank betrayal is done by the government of India.
1947 ismi dinisit jora nor India by agito chato pito khaijakano betel khaijakano bishasgato khaijakano tauk bonor ma haina hai India government bishasgato khaidongo OCA ain tuman bisingtui.
From in the 47 accession treaty or amalgamation agreement, it was clearly assured by the government of India that the identity of Tripura, the identity of the indigenous people, the lands of the indigenous people will be protected. That was the assurance by which they got the signatures from your Maharani.
Noni ha India by thangpu je treaty je instrument action chukti khaijakmani aro srai ke India go sijak tai srai ke sijak je Tripura hani busarokno borok self security renai mathangnai hne je gosimani a gosimungma borok naraglia borok bisasgatok khaike India government narokbai.
At the time of that agreement, You were master of your land, your homeland. At that time, you were a thumping majority. The Bengalis were a microscopic minority at that time of accession.
Nor যখন ইন্ডিয়া বে চুক্তি খাইফরো নরক অজাগা হানি মেজরিটি তংমানি হানি বসারক মেজরিটি তংমানি অজাগা ফাতার হানি বরক ফাইনারক কিসিসা তংমানি সে
But after that, in the first census, from the first census of 1951 in the free India, up till now, you are made a minority in your own homeland.
ইন্ডিয়ানি স্বাধীনের মানে ইয়াগুলো 1951 যে সেন্সাস ফরো তিনিসি জরতে যে আরো সেন্সাস নুকজাখা নরক তাবো মাইনরিটি ফাইকা আপরো নরক মেজরিটি তংমানে তাবো নরক মাইনরিটি ফাইকা
It's a clear conspiracy by the government of India because the population growth of this Tripura state, it is not the natural growth of birth rate of your indigenous people. It is not the population increase by the birth rate of indigenous people, but by a planned influx of Bangladeshis that the population was multiplied.
নংরা হাও যে বরক বাংমানি আবো নংরনা হানি বসারক বাওই আচাইয়ে বাংমানিয়া ও ফাতানি বরক ইনফ্লাক্স ইলিগেল ইনফ্লাক্স উঙ্গই বেআইনি ভাবে হগো ফাইমান বগেছে নংর বরক বাঙ্গই নরক তাবো কিসাং থাঙ্গ ফাতানি বরক ফাইনারক গোবাং দঙ্গো
The first conspiracy of India was carried out in the very first general election in 1952 against the assurance given to Maharani, against the commitment given to the people of Tripura. In 1952 election, the illegal immigrants were given voting right. That was the first conspiracy by the government of India.
1952 যখন ইলেকশন ফ্রো পয়লা লোকসভা নির্বাচন ফ্রো ইন্ডিয়া গভর্নমেন্ট এসুরেন্স মানে আবরং বরং নারগলিয়া লংনিয়র যে ফাইজাক রিফিউজি রগ্ন বান্দেউ ঠকগৈ নরম বুট নাখা
After that, in 1972, Northeastern state reorganization happened. In that also, the motto of that reorganization was told like that: the identity of Tripura, the culture of indigenous people of Tripura will be protected. For that sake, this Tripura is being promoted as a full-fledged state in 1972.
নর্থ ইস্ট নি স্টেট রিঅর্গানাইজেশন ফর 1972 আপ্রুভ নংর এসুরেন্স রা তংমনি যে স্টেট হুড খাইনানি ফর আপ্রো নংনি অরনি জি ইন্ডিজিনিয়াস অরন আইডেন্টিটি কালচার নম থাংনানি কক তংমনি কিন্তু ইন্ডিয়া গভর্নমেন্ট আবনো নারগলিয়া ফাতানি বরম জাগাত বুই বরকন হারখা
That assurance was given a go by. It's the next conspiracy by the government of India. In 1988, Rajiv Gandhi Frankel agreement clearly stated the Tripura state will be the people will belong to the people of indigenous people in Tripura. The outsiders will be driven out. A clear-cut fence will be built along the border of Bangladesh and Tripura. These all assurances were given in a written form, in the agreement form, in 1988 by Rajiv Gandhi government.
Rajiv Gandhi government tongprobo Pradhan Mantri tongprobo haino nongrok in 1988 kaisa agreement nangkha borok suyi kogrekha je nongoroni fatani hani borok phainai rokno o jagani rohna hinai je kogremani a jaga bo haino India government norok bai bisasgato khaika borok asamno tanglia.
After that, in 1993, the government of India assisted Agartala agreement between the state government of Tripura and the fighting indigenous people. In 1993, the Agartala Agreement was there. That Agartala Agreement assured the state will be for the people of Tripura, indigenous people. The illegal immigrants will be driven out. That assurance was a part of Agartala Agreement in 1993.
Hai hai 1993 o Agartala Agreement kaisangkha ajaga hai nai srai sajak tongo oro phatani borok phainer no jaga ni mar honai tai o ha ni shason khamata o ha ni busaroni yaga tongnai akok bo India government naraglia.
All these commitments were violated day by day, every day. In 1971, a big exodus from Bangladesh, the illegal Bangladeshis entered this entire northeastern state, particularly Tripura. After that, every day, the Bangladeshis are infiltrating into Tripura. There is a border security force. It is not a border security force. It is a Bangladeshi security force.
Bangladesh by notice ni border ro Tripura ni border security force tongkhano boro kono samung chukya aaj border security tongnare bebono Bangladeshi rok ni force se hain bage a border tui je phainai ha bideshi ko phainai ro boro habri kono boro abo kono samung chukya.
It is high time. It is a high conspiracy. I call this Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, it's not a Citizenship Amendment Act. It's a Conspiracy Amendment Act. Because this old conspiracy is amended by another conspiracy.
Omo belai nong ni bagai belai ke jora phai tongkha la jora phai tongkha je tau India government norbai hai 70 বছর মই norbai bisasgato khaita tabuk CAA to mani obo norbai hai bisasgato khai kaisa conspiracy jeta norma sogomnan baga ain to mani ষড়যন্ত্রকারী ও আইন অবনমাইনানি কক্রই.
By this CAA, the Bangladeshis, illegal Bangladeshis, most of them, they say Congress is opposing CAA. CPIM is opposing CAA. In what basis? Muslims are left out. That is correct. But here, whether he is a Muslim or Hindu, he is a Bangladeshi, he is a Videshi, he is an aggressor, he is an infiltrator. Whether he is Hindu or Muslim, any Bangladeshi is an infiltrator and aggressor of Tripura.
CPM ro sao o CAA no against khayo hne kintu boro tamsa je secularism mane Hindu bo manar nai Muslim bo manar nai narnan ke কিন্তু ত্রিপুরাও হংকে ও যে সিপিএম তংনার ফানো ও CAA নে এগেন্স কক ছায়া ফাতানি বড় ও জানি রহন হেনি বড় কক ছায়া বড় ক ও জাগাও নরম পাজি কক ছাই তঙ্গো.
So the CAA issue is an issue of homeland issue, not religious issue. By name of religion, by name of giving concession to Hindu religion, they are encroaching and permanently giving citizenship to Bangladeshis, most of the Bangladeshis in Tripura.
All Bangladeshi no jaga permanent citizen nan bagai je o CAA tup jakmani abo belake non bagai hamia abo ni bagai no ro tiar ma tongnai sisai ma tongnai choba ma khai ma tongnai hamoni bagai no ro leader ছয় লিডার না রমই নাসিগি হিন্দি আপনি বাগে ননি টিপেট নি প্রেসিডেন্ট পাতাল কিনে জমাতিয়া বস মিন ননি ছয় লিডার.
Here the CAA should be scrapped, should be thrown into the sea. At the same time, we have to get a Tripura specific NRC. That is the demand. We need not only oppose CAA, we have to give a specific alternative. This alternative demand is the Tripura specific NRC. Now what is the specific NRC for Tripura? There is a specific NRC for Assam. We Tamils, on behalf of Tamil, our Tamil National Movement is demanding an NRC for Tamil specific. Tamil Nadu NRC. What is the difference? Assam NRC cut-off year 1971. That is being implemented, that is blocked now by the CAA. For your Tripura specific NRC is, your cut-off year is 1948 July 19. 1948 July 19 is your cut-off year. What is that? As per the Article 6 of the Constitution of India, it is a cut-off year. It is not any anti-constitutional activity. It is a clear constitutional demand of Tripura people. It is on behalf of the Tripura people. Your TPF is putting forth, your leader PK Jamatia is putting forth. That is a correct demand. We support it.
Norok osi no ojaga ni khitar sumnani bagai ojaga ni remove khanan bagai norok kokma sanai tai aboni logi NRC ni bagai norok demand je khai tongmani 1948 19 July aboke Bharat ni সংবিধান 6 নম্বর আর্টিকেলের মোতাবেক aboni ni bagai ঠিক tongo tamke Tamilnadu ni bagai Tamilia nok ni bagai 1956 cut off year তাই আসামনি বাগৈ যে আসাম একর্ডনি মোতাবেক 1971 ফিয়া নন ত্রিপুরানি বাগৈ খে নরক যে 1948 19 জুলাই কাটো বিয়া ডেট যে এনআরসি বাগৈ ডিমান্ড খাইতমনি আবো কনস্টিটিউশনাল রাইট আবো ভারতনি সংবিধাননি রাইট আবো ননি ঠিক তঙ্গো আবনি বাগৈ ননি পাতাল জমাতিয়া টিপেপনি প্রেসিডেন্ট পিকে জমাতিয়া বর্ণ নরক সাপোর্ট খাইমা বন নরক সাপোর্ট খাইমা তনাই
It is high time the youth people of Tripura should rally behind PK Jamatia. It is high time. I request the young people, your fathers, your mothers have given a wrong choice. They have believed in Union Government of India. They believed Government of India. Again and again, Government of India betrayed you. Even after that, if you don't learn lesson, that will be a blunder. So, in the 70 years of your life, gives a lesson. If you vote, you will be voting. You can have 1 or 2 MLAs. You are always a minority. You are specifically planned minority. You are made minority in your homeland by the conspiracy of Union of India. You are made a minority. Again and again, if you vote and go for electoral politics, you will be crushed by the majoritarian. This majority of illegal immigrants will again and again rule with your consent, with your agreement.
Omono noni bagi paithak jora je TPF patal kina jamatia je movement pisamani sing saimano vote wo অধিকার মানেন বাগৈ কিন্তু নরক 70 বছর মই ভোট ডিমান্ড ফলে নরক মাইনরিটি ইনখা কিন্তু নরক অ ভোট বাই নরক পাইয়া নরক লিগেল জাস্টিস লিগেল ফাইট বাইছে নরক অ জবান কপ্লাইং নাই ইন্ডিয়া নরক বাই যে ফেম লগৈ কনস্পিরেসি খাইয়ে থিং তমনি আবো নরক বুচিনা নাংনাই নরক পাতাল কিনা জমাতে নি ইয়াগ্রমৈ বিনি চবাও লগি তংনা নাংনাই
Come out of electoral politics. Come out of electoral politics. Vote is useless for you, but in this present juncture, without winning over your homeland, without gaining the homeland in your hands, contesting election is a waste. You are giving your own hand signal to the majority infiltrators. That is the voting electoral politics. Be aware of that.
নরক ও ভোটনি রাজনীতিনি ইয়াক দিয়ে কগি ফেলে নাংনাই ভোটনি রাজনীতিনি কয় গেছা নরক মনে অধিকার মাইয়া ননি হা ননি আগত তাইসা টিফলি মাইয়া হানি বাকি নরক ও ভোটনি রাজনীতি ইয়াকান নাংনাই নংনি চবা লিগেল ফাইট নেই বিচার মাইয়া সাক নরক ও ভোটনি ইয়াকাই টং নাংনাই
It is a do or die situation. You can do, you need not die. Your street power, your road power is more powerful than the vote power. Vote has nothing power, no power. Your road power is more powerful. You gather in the streets, gathered in the struggles, all peaceful struggles, all non-violent struggles. You give a call for a non-cooperation with the Union Government of India. We will not cooperate. As Gandhiji said to the British government, we will not cooperate with the British government. You say we will not cooperate with the Union Government of India. We will not cooperate until we regain our homeland. We will not vote. We will not vote to anybody. Like that, we have to have an alternative politics, real politics. It is politics. It is not just a social work. It's politics, but high-powered politics. It is the real politics. It is not voting. Is not the politics. Voting is the slavery. You are giving your consent to be slaves to these illegal immigrants. It is very clear. Your now Chief Minister, Biplab Deb, is a class 1 illegal immigrant. He is your Chief Minister. What is the value of our vote? What the vote will do for you? You should realize.
Nong ibagay, kainani hayakut thengani jara phai tongkha. O the illegal immigrants song do both ruoi. O jagani Mukhyamantri Chief Minister songkha. Abo nong ibagay busuk hamia. Abo nor one shot di. Hani bagay nong coba boot ni coba ya. Nor boot ya kare nong ni coba boot baya. Boot mane kaham thik no. Kintu anu odhikar mana bagay boot man abo kaham. Kintu nor boot man kholai phatani borok se nok phangchong jagay o jaga Mukhyamantri ko. Nong odhikar malia. Hani bagay nor boot baya kanai. Boot ya kare nor coba khaidi. Nong ni je khorang abo bang ma jaga wo thangi sogere di legal justice legal fight ni bagay o nong ni khorang samung nang nai.
There are number of regional parties, number of all India parties, whether it is Congress or BJP or CPIM, these are all one. Their color may vary, their flags may vary. There can be a different leader coming to you, but all are the voice of, all are the representatives of the illegal immigrants, Bangladesh. Nobody is your representative. Be clear on that.
No haro kabangma regional party tongo, national party tongo. Kintu borok o illegal immigrants on the bagay kuno saya. Borok sudu no boot ni bagay sawo. Borok power mana bagay montemela bagay borok sawo. Kintu borok o illegal ni birutte o je illegal immigrants on ni birutte father hani phanya borok ni birutte borok ko saya. Borok ko hono sagla.
This voting politics is one of the way that is a wrong understanding. Only politics is politics of struggle, non-violent struggle. That is the only way that is given to you. If again and again you vote, you will be a minority. What your population is, by conspiracy of Union of India, was made minority. So your voting right also minority. Your representation will be minority. So voting path, the electoral path is blocked for you. Only path is the path of struggle, peaceful struggle. That struggle, that is the only one organization, Tripura People's Front, led by P.K. Jamatia. That is the only way out for the future of this Tripura people. Be careful.
Nor budru sarkar to wo nor komiu. Tamu khanong ni budru mani pagai. Kintu nong ni movement kata unak lain non-violence. Je PK Jamatia movement khai jomani. Obosa asal nong ni movement nong ni mukti ni pagai. Tai kuno political party ba kuno movement nor no mukti na ni boy kuno movement krui. Hain pagai nor of PK Jamatia ni logiwo nor khrang tisai tongdi.
The only thing I want you to again and again say, don't lose your heart. Don't lose your hope. You are not in a hopeless situation. You are not in a hopeless situation. I am telling you as an analytical truth. You are not in a defeated position. But your last battle is now coming. It is the last battle for the people of Tripura. The last battle will be yours. Will be yours. You will win. Don't lose your heart. Don't lose your hope. Justice is yours. You have a clear ideology, clear motto. Tripura, our land, our right. This is your slogan. This is a guiding principle for you. There's a clear-cut, well-knit organization. Though it may be small or big, it's a well-knit organization from the grassroots level, from the primary level, up to the top level. There is a very clear-cut organized group is here. Organized organization, DPF is here. It is led by a clear vision, a leader with a clear vision. Don't belittle, she is a woman. How a woman can lead a movement. Don't belittle. Women are the great power. Women are the great power. We should recognize. They are having a good tenacity to face any hurdles. So, this patriarchal vision, the ladies should be within the kitchen. Men should come to the public life. It is a world view. It is a world view. That world view will defeat you. You clearly identify the woman leader, this leader. Rally behind her in an organized way, in a clear way. Step by step, you build up your struggle. We are with you. Tamils are with you. Tamils and Punjabis, you know, it's a great, very valiant race, fighting race. We have a great history, both Punjabis and Tamils. We will fight with you. We will not let you down. We are with you. With all the support, justice is yours. You will win. Vanakkam.
너니 카타트디 카스 탕사디 너니 바그 오버 last movement last 저바 너 저바 신이 함께 신이 사선응나나 이제 저바 슬로건 어머 살았다 이놈의 저바 그래 어러제 너는 저바와선 반잡니 타밀니 제 파네로 너르바이 똥거 너르노 제 낭삭 승조바나이 승너르바이 movement 파네 하니 바그 너 카타트디 카탕사디 너르바이 승똥거 그런까지 하노